Hey everyone, it's Chef Alicia, and today I'm making pumpkin pancakes. Let's get started by putting 3 cups of self-rising flour along with a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt into a large bowl. To that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice and then stir it all together. Moving right along, we're going to use a smaller bowl and add to that 3 eggs along with 2½ cups of milk. And then I'm going to use my mixer to mix that together really well and make sure that all of those eggs are broken up and that the eggs and milk are nice and combined. Once I have those mixed together, I'm going to go back to my flour bowl and I'm going to add my egg mixture right into the flour, all of it, all at once. And then I'm going to mix that on low speed until it's nice and combined. And once it is, it should look something like this. And then add 1/2 cup of sugar. And again, use your mixer to combine that only until it's mixed together. Don't overmix. After that, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And when I add my butter in, I like to have my mixer running. That way I don't end up with chunks. And last but not least, I'm going to add 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree into my batter. And then I'm going to mix that up really well with my mixer. And I'm doing this on low speed. I do want to make sure that everything is combined, but I don't want to overmix. Also make sure that you give your bowl a scrape with the spatula to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. Next, spray your griddle or your skillet or whatever it is that you're using with some kind of non-stick spray. And I have mine heated up to 325 degrees, and also I'm using a 2-ounce ladle here, but I'm not being crazy about it and super measuring. You'll be able to tell that your pancakes are ready to flip when they look like this. They're going to be kind of getting dry on the top, a little bit of wetness there still, and also you'll see some little holes where some bubbles have risen up to the top and popped. Once you get all these guys flipped over, cook them on the other side until they're beautiful or golden, and then we're ready to plate them up. I'm going to start off with some whipped cream, and I'm going to follow that up with some chocolate syrup, and then some nutmeg because it's pretty and delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking, everyone.